Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Manchester United goalkeeper top, and this is from 2007. Now this top was purchased from kkfu1.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. Obviously we have got a name set on this one. We've gone for Edwin van der Sar, Manchester United goalkeeper from this era. And we'll give you a sneak peek. This is also a size 2XL. It's going to be for a friend of mine. I will leave a link in the description to kkfu1.com. I'll also leave a DHGate link for Manchester United items. If you do enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these pseudo reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Delivery timescales, you're looking between 10 and 15 days for this item to arrive, or any items from their website. The seller, as I said, is kkfu1.com. All the information in the description of this video. The goalkeeper top comes in a Nike bag, and on the flip side it does have the usual health warnings. But I say, this one does feel a bit thicker than some of the goalkeeper tops we've done in the past. Whether that's because it's got a long sleeve or whether the sleeves have got padding on, I'm not sure. But we'll see when we get the shirt out of the bag. So on that note, let's do that. Let's get the shirt out of the bag and to do a full review of the Manchester United 2007 goalkeeper top from kkfu1.com. Okay, we're at the front of the goalkeeper top, and it's got quite a chunky bottom bit to the collar there. The Nike is embroidered into the material. Likewise, the Manchester United crest is embroidered on as well. And actually, that one doesn't look too bad. Slight wonk on the Manchester, but shape-wise, size, I think that's pretty much perfect. We do have the Champions patches on the sleeve. So we've got 06-07 Champions, and that's like a velvety sort of texture, and on this one as well, not the plastic that you tend to normally get. AIG sponsor. It's got a nice rubberized vinyl to it, and then at the bottom we have Nike Fit embroidered in, and on this side the Red Devils tag. The material itself is quite a shiny, glossy, solid material. Being the green, it's not overly see-through actually, which is quite nice. Jumping back to the sleeves, I've got to say they are just a thin sleeve again, no padding or anything on there. And the cuff, oh, I thought that was off then, but I think that's the style. Yeah, that's the style on both sides. So yeah, shame there's no padding, but as I said before, that's what you tend to get with these sort of goalkeeper tops. It is like a long sleeve shirt, just transitioned into a goalkeeper top. But that's the front. Let's flip it around now and take a look at the reverse side as well. Okay, we're on to the reverse side, and the collar, it's not got any additional padding in there, but you've got this rubberized Red Devil, and then the name set of Van der Sar, and that is just your standard sort of vinyl lettering. It's been heat pressed on along with the number 1 as well. It's got the Premier League icon at the bottom, all part of the vinyl. And at the bottom we also have the MUFC rubberized vinyl again. So just zooming in a second, you've got the Red Devil up there, and then you've got the MUFC down the bottom there. Hemline, well, that's actually got the, on the sides of it, it's got the same as what the sleeves have got. Stitching slightly off there though, which is a shame. But apart from that, all looking okay up under there. Likewise, all looking good under there. That's the reverse side. Let's take a look at the inside. Okay, we're on to the inside, and let's just check the stitching. Yeah, stitching all looks absolutely fine up there. Man United crest, mentioned it been embroidered on. Yeah, that looks okay as well, to be fair. You've got a little joint there, but nothing too bad. And the Nike, yes, pretty much standard for the way that Nike's done. You get the join in the corner there. Sponsor, no creases at all. Really, really nice. Down at the bottom, we've got the Nike Fit. There's still some of the card around. If you get this and it doesn't just pull off, my recommendation is just to put some lukewarm water on it. If I could do it with one hand, so that bit's come off relatively easy. But if it doesn't, yeah, just soak it in a bit of lukewarm water. It'll then peel off nice and easy. Got a tag there, a Nike tag. A product code. and then your washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these is to do as the shirt is now, have it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. Never tumble dry them. Premier League patch, not a single crease, and on that side as well, not a single crease. So they've all been put on really well. Okay, there's the first part of the inside of the shirt done. Let's flip it around and look at the other side now as well. Okay, final part of the shirt, we've got a tag, 2XL, just a standard Nike tag actually, nothing fancy on that. Joined up there with a plastic tag. Got the Red Devil size 2XL, Nike Fit Dry, made in Thailand. As I said, I'm going to give this to a friend of mine, which is the why it's gone for 2XL. Got the number 1 there, nice and smooth, and the Van der Sar. To be fair, I can't even feel where that is. More so because you've got the Manchester United crest there and the Nike there. Pushing in, not see-through at all. And here where we did see where that slight wonk on the outside was, on the inside it's just as bad actually where that join is, look. Which is a shame because normally when it's a top club they tend to look after the shirts a little bit better. A slight nick there, but no, that's fine. Actually, look, there's a little bit of see-throughness coming there. But there's the final part of the inside of this shirt completed. And there we have it, our Manchester United goalkeeper top from kkfu1.com. So this was the Manchester United goalkeeper top from 2007 with the Premier League champions patches on either sleeve with the name set of Edwin van der Sar. I will leave a link to kkfu1.com in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHGate link from our usual seller as well, which will enable you to go and buy some of their items should you wish. That will take you direct through to the Man United items on their DHGate page. Delivery timescales, you're looking at between 10 to 15 days for the item to arrive, which I think you'll agree is absolutely perfect. Quality wise, yeah, once again, cannot fault it at all. Really, really nice, apart from that one little nick on the inside for the join. But to be fair, no one is going to see that. So yeah, top marks from me. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or anything, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But the seller of this Manchester United 2007 goalkeeper top, kkfu1.com. All info in the description of the video. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.